During seasonally cold weather, it is important to winterize your HPT equipment. Winterization can prevent water from freezing inside the controller and damaging the line pressure sensor, flow sensor, or HPT pump. It is also important when planning to store or transport this equipment. The first step in the winterization process is to remove water from the trunk line and the controller. In order to do that, first you will need to open the control valve, turn on the pump, and remove the supply line from the source of water. This will allow air to push through the HPT trunk line and purge water from the controller. When water flowing from the HPT screen begins to sputter, this indicates that it is almost fully purged from the trunk line. Once water is mostly removed from the trunk line, the next step is to circulate antifreeze through the HPT controller. As you can see, Dan has removed the trunk line from its fitting and replaced it with clear tubing. This allows him to see when the remainder of water has escaped the system. This step is helpful but not essential. It is okay for antifreeze to flow through the trunk line or even directly from the fitting. To commence winterization, simply apply the HPT supply line directly to the source of antifreeze while leaving the HPT control valve and pump on. We recommend the use of RV antifreeze for its biodegradability. You'll know the flushing process is completed when the escaping liquid is no longer diluted and has taken on the color of the antifreeze. The final step in completing the winterization of your HPT controller is to close the control valve while leaving the pump on. Closing the control valve will block the flow of antifreeze from the trunk line, which has already been flushed, allowing the antifreeze to move through the bypass line as well. Once antifreeze has finished moving through both the trunk line and bypass line, the winterization process is complete.